Subscribe Techie Pizza and also press the bell icon so that you can never miss any update from us. What's up, fellows? My name is Ashmit from Techie Pizza, and today I'm gonna show you that how you can install Brawl Stars app from Supercell, which is a country logged app. So now let's spread technology. Okay, so to install the Brawl Stars game, you first have to connect to a VPN. I'm using VPN Melon. So you have to connect to the Canada server. I have already chosen it, and now I'm clicking on connect. So after it has been connected, you have to go to your settings and search for the Google Play Store app. Play Store. So here you can see it is my Google Play Store Android app. Now I have to click on storage and clear all of its data. Okay, so all the data has been cleared. Now I have to go to the Play Store app. Now it will take some time as you have cleared the data, and it will now configure from the starting. So now after it has been started, you have to simply search Brawl Stars. So now here you can see many apps appear here along with movies, songs and audiobooks. So now here you can see there it is, the Brawl Stars official app from Supercell. Here you can see it is the official app from Supercell, and it is the version 12.198 and the download size is 76.14 MB. Now you simply have to install it. Now your mobile data or your Wi-Fi speed will automatically decline and come to a slow speed as you are using a VPN, but you have to do it to download this app. So now let's wait for this. Now here you can see that my Brawl Stars app has been successfully installed. Now there is no need to connect the VPN, so now I will stop it. Okay, so after it has been stopped, we can just launch the game and play it. So now here you can see that this game is working perfectly, and I also have my account previously on this game. So this is how you can just install your Brawl Stars app from Supercell. And I must give you a note that if you download Brawl Stars APK from any other external website, you will not be able to play the game, as it has set some limitations that you must download this game from the Google Play Store on Android. So to play this game, you must follow this trick. Okay, so let us know down in the comments that if you want Brawl Stars gameplay on our channel. So this was Ashmit Singh from Techie Pizza, signing off. Also, please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to comment down that if this trick worked on your mobile phone or not. So that's it for today, guys. This was Ashmit Singh from Techie Pizza signing off.